Hi guys, today we're going to fix the YouTube buffering problem. First of all, go to your phone's home screen and open the App Store. This is important because buffering issues are often caused by outdated apps, so we need to check for updates first. Just tap on the App Store and wait for it to load properly. Once the App Store is open, look at the bottom right corner and tap on the search icon. This will allow you to find any app you want. And in our case, we're going to search for YouTube. It's super simple, so just tap and move ahead. Now tap on the search bar at the top of the screen and type YouTube. As soon as you search it, the official YouTube app will appear on your screen. This is where we'll check if an update is available or not. After that, you'll see the YouTube app with either an update or open button. If you see the update option, just tap on it right away, because updating the app usually fixes buffering and performance issues. And honestly, this step solves the problem most of the time. Now, if the problem is still not fixed, don't worry at all. Just restart your phone once, because sometimes small bugs or glitches cause buffering issues. After restarting, open YouTube again and your problem should be completely resolved. So yeah, that's how you can easily fix the YouTube buffering problem in just a few steps. Keeping your apps updated really helps avoid these issues. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe, and drop a comment. If you still have any problems, I'll help you out.